All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2018 Chevy Malibu. It is the LT model, this beautiful gray with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls. Sorry, I didn't mean leather, cloth interior. Alloy wheels, sunroof, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Here's your front driver's fender, front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see any curbing here. Your tire thread is at 630 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. I just see two little curving marks, less than an inch right there. Your tire thread is at 630 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. It does have like a panoramic sunroof. Got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys so you guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. Does come with two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff right here. You got your backup camera. Pow. Got your AC controls right down below. On the lights here. Boom. Steering controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for tire pressure and your mileage of 24,421. Looks good. Open up the trunk, which I believe has a little power for the trunk. Then I shot it inside of the sunroof. Let me get there. Boom. Opened up, looking good. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. And rear bumper. Looks good. Rear deck lid. Looks good. Does have a little chippy there. And a dent over here. Some paint off, very minimum. About an inch. That's what your trunk space looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools. And then, of course, I did tuck away your owner's manuals right there. This quarter here looks pretty good. Does have a little ding here. No paint off to that, but it is there. Here's your rear passenger side rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. And your tire thread is at 630 seconds. There's a little curbing right there. Less than an inch, but it is there. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents. Front passenger door looks good. Does have a dent right here. Less than about an inch. Inch and a half. No paint off. The rest of the door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Your front fender looks good. Front passenger rim. And your tire thread is at 630 seconds. Consistent there. Lights are working. Car is on. Folks, once again, this is a 2000 and actually, is that fog lights? All right, folks. Apparently those are daylight runnings. First of all, folks, this is 2018 Chevy Malibu LT model with LT model. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding. 24,000 miles on this vehicle.